Alright guys, so over here editing some videos for you guys. Right now I'm going to get this O-ring apply for Infiniti, G35, Nissan 350Z. Basically, this O-ring, it's basically what's causing the leak in my car. I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So it had that little leak before I noticed it, and then I caught this much. So I really can't lay on this myself up. Okay. Alright, so if you have a 350Z or Infiniti G35 3.5 liter V6 and it's leaking oil and it's not your oil pan gasket, because I got a new one, I got a new oil pan gasket on this one, and it's not from the actual oil pan, it's coming up from it's leaking coming down from up there. So I'm pretty sure it's this thing. So you're gonna take off your oil filter and you are going to leak some, so just be ready for that. So let me show you. And I tightened this hand tight, so it should come off. God damn, so much for hand tight. Son of a LS, and well, that one might work. See if I even have space to turn it. Shit, hold on. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. Don't you just love it when things go right? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and just loosen it up. Just get ready for whatever's gonna leak down. Probably have to go buy another quart. Look at that. That's fresh new oil, man. You gotta put a 22 socket in there, break it loose, and that should loosen up your oil cooler. And then behind, not here, behind it on this end is where you're gonna take out your old O-ring and put the new one in. Took off the bolt. I just threaded it back in here. Let me see, because I think I didn't record shit. Okay, so this is how it looks. Ah crap, this is that's your 22 right there, and it goes like this, goes in there like that. Okay, so I got let me put it in the sun. I got this is the old one. I'm gonna show you right now. This one's actually skinnier, so maybe it was just crushed or whatever. Doesn't seem to be cracked or like, oh, it looks like they changed it. But let me see if I can get this out real quick. Yeah, that's not gonna happen with my hands. Okay, this floor is actually fucking cold. Alright, so you want to clean your surface a bit. I cleaned it up with just a towel. I don't have some brake cleaner handy right now, and I never catch them much. I just want to get this in. So here is the old one's thickness. This is how fat that looks, and this is how fat this one is. It's a big difference there, height wise. So anyways, this is your new one. So this new one is going to go in here. I've cleaned this up already. Literally goes, does not go out here. Okay, no, doesn't go here, it goes here. Okay, because this right here, that's on the outside technically. This is inside, and this is where the oil's gonna pass through. So this groove, not on this 31. That's why I cleaned that one out. That's where it's gonna go. So I put mine on the floor, so let me hold on. Let me just give it a good little clean, because it's got some rocks on it and stuff. Okay. Got some stuff on the inside too. Okay, so I don't think I can do this with my fucking hands. One of my hand recording, but if I can't, let me see if I can grab like an angle. Yeah, you guys are just gonna have to fucking miss this. You get the point though, you just have to put it in there. If it looks good, it looks good. If it doesn't, then you guys will just have to get the point and just guess. But basically, it's gonna go in here. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. And this does not fit. Why the fuck do you not fit? Ah, shit. Serious, cuz? Or if it's a little big. It fits like, it acts like it's too big. But it's in now. Hopefully it doesn't pop out. I'm fucking mad if it pops out. Okay. So, this bitch is still leaking like you can tell. I'm gonna see if I can clean the engines. The engine side. Oh, let's see. This side, I mean. Okay, so. I don't know if I have to clean the surface or not, but I'm just gonna clean it real quick. Okay, so come here. All right, so so once you get your O-ring in there, you're gonna want to put this, kind of line it up back where it was before, and just put your bolt back in there. That should be it. Okay, so I screwed this in. I kind of like lined this up, and then with the other hand I was screwing it in. So I screwed it in as much as I get it with my hand, and this will go, I think it was like 36 foot-pounds. So you gotta torque it down. You just have a torque wrench, torque it down to 36 foot-pounds. That's what I'm gonna do right now, and get some more rags to clean stuff up real quick, and then put my oil filter back on and check the oil level. I mean, yeah, it leaked quite a bit, so I'm gonna probably need to get a quart. Probably not gonna use my whole quart, probably gonna use half of it, maybe even like less, but just pop it in there just to be sure. And that'll be it. I think I have some left over actually, so that's it. You get it torqued, put your oil filter back on, and if you leaked oil or whatever, or if you're doing a whole oil change, then you might as well just do this while you're doing your oil change, because it's probably leaking. If it's not, then don't do it, whatever. I don't give a shit. But you get the idea. The torque wrench. Alright, so I got a torque wrench, and we're going to set it at 36 foot-pounds, and that's going to be the last step. For me, it should just be this. It is set at freaking 36 foot-pounds. We're gonna just get it in there until it gets to 36 foot-pounds. Alright, here you start. There it goes. 36. Boom. That's it. You feel that? So once it clicks, don't keep on going. Let's go ahead and clean this up too. Okay. And screw it back in here. And you going in there or not? There you go. So this will go hand tight. Okay, so here I got Omar's car, and I'm going to open his hood. Well, I don't think that did anything. That hood is not popping up. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna open his hood, get his battery, put it in my car, turn it on, get the G's battery, put it into his car. That while his car's running, that way his car will charge my battery, because my battery's dead from the G, but it works. I know it's good. It just, I put it into the BMW, and the BMW drained it, so now I can't turn on the G. So I need to turn on the G, see if it's leaking or not, get the battery and put it into this car, let it charge it, and that way later we can just swap. Alright, so I got my battery from the G at Omar's Mustang. So hopefully, if his alternator is working properly, it should charge my battery up. Gonna let it sit here for a cool minute. And then I've got Omar's battery in the G. And so I fired the G up already. So she's warming up. I'm gonna go ahead and check for leaks, see if everything's good. Checking out down here. Hopefully it is, because I don't want to. It's looking good. I cleaned all this so I can make sure I could see through here if it was like any oil or leaking through here. He wants you to let them. You want me to let them inside? Yeah, that's what you want? You want me to let them inside? Yeah? Sit. All right, get in here, shorty. Get in here. Come on. Let's go. Vámonos. Hurry. I went to drive the G35 already. My bad, totally forgot about y'all, and I was just too excited and I just went out for a drive. But look at her. She made it. So I ended up having to use my brother's battery from his Mustang. It's in right now in the car. And the battery from this G. I drove this same car to AutoZone. It's getting charged. They're probably not telling me it's a bad battery. But overall, man, the car, I lowered the car already. I drove it. It's tucking. It doesn't rub. So, and if it does, I'll just be able to, I'll have to roll the fender a little bit, but tires are holding there. Rim's looking good. Everything looks good. Bumper didn't fall off. Nothing was rattling. Put the carbon fiber grill back on. I need to clear it up so it looks like this. It's all like faded by the sun. But yeah, everything was good. I just need the inner fender wells. But yeah, so the G drove fine. It did good. I still need a. Only thing left for the car to be done would be the seat. So I gotta take it off, figure out what I gotta do. Fixing the seat and seeing if I can get a new one of these, or like something to reupholster this with, because this is ugly as hell. This one I can kind of get by it because it's like right here in the corner, and I'll probably take it off too. I'll look at it, but this one for sure. Just, you know, little things around there that I need work on. So it would be like the seat, obviously getting my battery if I need a battery or whatever. I'm probably fixing the exhaust, trying to make it sound a little decent, because it's this like cheapo. Let me get my thumbnail. What's up, guys? So we got LG's car right here that's ready. Yeah, pretty much we're about to head out right now. Everything's on. What are you doing? Recording. Without me? Yep, without you. So I dropped it off at 14:41. What the fuck is 14? What type of hour? Oh, that's military. 2:41. What time is it? 2:41. It's time for. I can't see what time it is. Let me see. I don't want to press my phone on. Oh yeah, that's been an hour. All right. Yeah. All right. Let's go. I mean, it sucks because like I'm always, you know, with V8s, and every time I have my Mustangs and shit, I'm talking shit about like V6s like these that sound like crap. Yeah. And now I have one. Now you have one. And it's like, you know, it's like that saying that, you know, you don't spit up because it falls back in your face. Mm-hmm. Don't talk shit. It comes back into you. And you learn it. You know, you learn from mistakes. Whatever. How does I still think that it sound like shit though. I still think this car sound like shit. I don't like how they sound. Yeah. You gotta like. The only way you can make the car sound, this car, like a VQ sound good, is like, for me, it's like a tone. Yeah. That's the only way. Almost every other exhaust has the same tone. like it to 146, all right, I will race.
Hell yeah.
And we'll go down to that road where where I took you last night.
Yeah.
And we'll go there and we'll do it there. You get one lane, I get one lane. We'll probably do it from the stop sign to the circle. Man, I'm just loving how the G looks. It's looking good. I was taking some pictures right now, and it was looking really good. It was looking pretty good, really, to be honest. I mean, I was taking some pictures to post it up for sale right now, but the sun came down, so you guys ain't get to see how good the car looks. I'll probably get under maybe I like the little halos too. I'm digging them. One of them is white, one of them is blue. Look at that. I'll probably remove the lip, the paint on the lip. It's already, I was washing them and I ran with the rag and I already chipped it off either way, so I'll probably just leave it like that lip right there, because it looks better with that. Like, I feel like it will look better like that, because it makes the car look like it has no lip. But yeah, dude, the paint is amazing, man. I cleaned the car today, I drove it, I fixed the seat, I washed it. So seat's good, the whole car's clean, everything, bro. So, yep.